I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 36 of the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this is just a crossword collage weekly thing that we do. The only requirement is to have a crossword and write in something and decorate it however we want to decorate it. So this week I am doing these kitty cats. This come from Calico Collage, I believe is the name. And I've had them for quite a few years, and I think they're beautiful. So I started to go ahead and cut around this one because I really didn't want the I love you. But I decided, sorry, I thought I was going to sneeze. Excuse me. But I decided that you may want to see how I do the whole thing. I try to be, aware of how long it takes to make things, because not everybody has a lot of time to watch everything that they want to watch. And if every video is an hour long, then you don't get to see everything that you want to see. So I am just going to cut this one, I believe, in half. But I hope everybody is doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. We have had nice weather. It has been it was in the 50s last night. I even ran my fan. And it is, yesterday it got up in the 70s. So that's coming from being down in the 20s at the beginning of the week. So let's see how I'm going to lay this out. Okay, I've already got my background paper done. I do need to ink around. I think I'm going to do my corners as well. Although this wouldn't show, so I don't know why I'm doing that. But I finally finished that book that I was reading. It was Murder at Kathmandu. It was a freebie that I had. It's a series, and I have found some great books. And it's not that that one was bad. It just didn't live up to it. So now I have started Susan Anderson Russo. I have a whole series of those, and those are more of like your Lisa Gardner type books. And it was a free series as well. I want to get the next Lisa Gardner, but we've got to get our finances. First of the year is always tough for us. But maybe by the time my birthday runs around in May, we'll have things kind of back on track. Alright, now let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and ink around these. But the book that I just finished, it was just a little kind of a cozy mystery. And like I said, it's not that it's bad. It was only 192 pages, and it took me forever to get through that. It just didn't have enough to kind of keep me going. It was, you have those books that you can get deep into, and then you have those books that's just like a surface read, for lack of a better way to phrase it. It's not that they're bad. They just don't get as in depth as some of the others. Now, I love the, I've mentioned the Jana DeLeon Misfortune books, and those are cozy mysteries, but you get really involved with the characters. They're a hoot. And and so it's easy to get in that. Maybe the second book will be better, but the it's sort of like even the I like reading Joanne Flute, with the Murder She Wrote, not Murder She Baked. And those are good, but I got involved in with the characters. So for me, those characters become like friends, and it's hard when, you don't, it's not that you dislike somebody, but it's just not someone you want to hang around with. That's kind of the feel I got. Alright, I got all this, so let's see. Kind of thinking that, because I really don't necessarily want journal to show. Maybe something like that. And I like those flowers are pretty. And maybe something along that line. Kind of shift it over. You got that kitty cat. And then maybe something like that. I like the way that looks. I think it kind of keeps your eye going around. So let's get that down. Let's see what I need to get down first. I think this one. I'm still watching the killing. That's good. I don't get to watch as much as I want to, but I'm in the third season, and I'm about, I think, episode 3 or 4 into it. So it's really good. And my husband and I are still watching Bones. We're in season 4 of that. I've always loved Bones. My husband didn't care nothing about it, watching it the first go around, but I really believed after some of the other shows we watched that he'd like it. And sure enough, he likes it. He wishes, though, that there weren't so many. It bothers him when children are involved in these kind of shows. That's why he never would watch CSI or anything like that with me. And I don't particularly care for it myself. But, let's see here. Oh, at least yeah, that'll work. But, anyway, he still is watching it and enjoying it. And as a family, my son's got us hooked on it. It's a reality show called Traitors. And that's traitors like, traitors. And it's good. We watched the U.S. one. We're watching the UK one now. And they've already watched them all, and they're watching season 2 of the United States one now. But my husband and I kind of like to, watch them when we can. And it's on Peacock. That's a one that my son's got out. And it's very good. They're, you have your faithfuls against your traitors, and they're trying to get rid of each other. The traitors will murder one of the faithfuls each night, but the rest of them are trying to find out who the traitors are, and they have like a round table where they banish who they think is a traitor. And it's really interesting because it's never who you think it is. I mean, we know who watching it, know who the traitors are, but just the way they come up with their ideas of who's who and why they're doing what they're doing, and you say the least little thing and people just jump on it, and of course the traitors are stirring the pot. So I like that. Now let me go ahead and put my splatters down. Because I love my splatters. I've gotten where now it doesn't feel complete if I don't put them down. unless it's a different type of collage. But these kind of vintagey looking ones, I really like them. The journal I'm working on now, the Gothic Coffee, I did some jelly prints, and I just went through and splattered all the jelly prints and all the digitals. So I just took time doing that. I didn't figure you'd want to watch me splatter. And this time I did not record me doing jelly prints. It was just something I kind of wanted to do, and sometimes just the filming, it puts a lot of pressure on you. All right, I really like that. I hope you do as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She's very talented. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.